So in today's short video, maybe short, I try to keep them as short as needed, we will be protecting the interior skin of the 4Runner. Follow along. So this is the cloth seat covers, and going back to the vehicle that I owned that's 8 years older than this one, it gives me a pretty neat paradigm to know what this car could and probably will end up looking like 8 years from now. And the seats, I mean, they are still in good condition. I did notice a little bit of fading on the outsides, but nothing major. There's no rips or tears or stains or anything like that. But I call this the interior skin of the vehicle, and it will be getting some protection today. As well as this, I did notice that this material over time, it does have a tendency to crack, maybe just from the oils from the arms resting on that over time. So we are going to add a layer of protection to the center console armrest, and we already did this to protect, because I noticed the same thing on the skin underneath. It's the same material essentially that has a tendency to crack. So quick story on these was I had called the local companies to see if anyone could install seat covers, and the price was somewhat ridiculous. They blamed it on supply chain shortages and not being able to get a lot of the seat covers that people order, but I had no problem getting these. In fact, and then you factor in the cost of labor that they just kind of get you on. I said, you know what, I'm going to order them and then I'm going to install it myself. I'm not saying these are going to be easy to install. I'm not expecting a piece of cake installation. I'm actually anticipating some challenges, but I can at least say I did it myself. So I'm going to unpackage these and show you what I have. So I decided to go through Cover King, and they have these customized seat covers that are made for your specific vehicle. And I'm just trying to gauge the initial impressions. I mean, it feels pretty durable in terms of the fit. Any of you surf or divers out there, it's comparable to like a wetsuit material. And I think it would withstand, some years of service. So yeah, this is the Cover King. I think these are just the two front bucket seats. They also included some kind of installation kit. I see some gloves, and I don't know what to do with this. I guess there comes a time to go to the instructions. So in your installation kits, you get the instructions. I guess you can also watch some videos. This, a glove, safety glasses, and I guess an installation tool to tuck it in. So there is your installation kit from Cover King. I stand corrected. This is not instructions. This is literally a catalog to buy more of their products. This is absolutely useless unless you're shopping. So it looks like I will be going online to find out how to put these on properly. And here is the finished product with the seat cover installs. Again, going back to, saving a little bit of money by installing it myself. These are the Cover King. It's a little dusty already, but front seat Cover King installs pretty straightforward. And I'll show you the back. So as you can see, it's I just added these handles here to grab onto. So you can see it's a pretty nice custom fit. I'm always dusting. And yeah, they got the headrest. They even got the seat with the, what's this, cup holder armrest area. They got the cutouts for the seat belts, the side knobs. There's even cutouts here for the side airbags as well. know if you can see it right there. So these are definitely tailor-made for your make, model, year. Quality is actually pretty paramount. I'm not gonna just try to boost it up. It's really like that neoprene material. And then I'll show you what it looks like from the back of the second row. So the back here was a series of just Velcro, and this side had a zipper. However, this side didn't, but it's all it's customized. You know, there's little holes for the those little grab things there, and even for the child restraints. I forgot to show that. So in the back seat, there's these little cutouts here for the child restraint hooks, also for the seat belts. Yeah, overall, I'm definitely happy with this. And like I mentioned, I did save a couple $100 by installing it myself. And it's also more worthy when you install it yourself, you know, not relying on someone else to do it for you. And then you just have that kind of knowledge to help other people in the future. Yep, so here it is. Overall, I'm happy. Cover King custom fit seat covers, protecting the interior skin of your vehicle. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video on the interior skin, the seat covers. I didn't want to do a detailed install. There's videos online. There's also instructional videos on how to put these on. It would have took a lot longer to show you the step-by-step. Plus, most of the time I needed both hands. But just wanted to show you the beginning, how it came packaged, what it comes with, and the finished product. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.